In this video tutorial, we will learn how we can do object detection using YOLO V10 in Google Colab. YOLO V10 is developed by researchers at Tsinghua University in China. YOLO V10 is the state-of-the-art real-time object detection model that outperforms all the other YOLO models in terms of average precision, parameter efficiency, and inference speed. So in this tutorial, we will look at how we can do object detection using YOLO V10 in Google Colab. So this is the official YOLO V10 repository, which you can see over here. You can find all the graphs over here, like average precision and latency comparison, latency or accuracy comparison graph, where you can see that this is for the YOLO V10, and you can see the YOLO V10 outperforms all the other YOLO models in terms of accuracy as well as in latency, like it takes less time as compared to other YOLO models. So, but is basically latency. Latency is basically the time taken to do object detection on an input image. Okay, so like you can see that YOLO V10 takes less inference time as compared to other YOLO models. And in comparison to other YOLO models, like you can see over here, these are the number of parameters in billions. So you can see that YOLO V10 basically the architecture of YOLO V10 reduces the computational overhead, and you can see that there are less number of parameters involved in YOLO V10 as compared to other YOLO models. And in terms of accuracy, we can clearly see that YOLO V10 outperforms all the other YOLO models. Okay, and yeah, you can see that YOLO V10 comes with 6 different models: YOLO V10 Nano, Small, Medium, Large, Extra Large, all this stuff. And here you can see all the script written how we can do object detection using YOLO V10, how we can export the model to ONNX format, and how we can train the model on any custom data set, and how we can do the predictions. And here you can find the Hugging Face, all these links as well. And here is the citation. The code base is built with Ultralytics, so they have provided all the details. You can check out these details. Okay, and you can simply search YOLO V10 GitHub and you will find this repository. And if you just click over here, you will find the YOLO V10 official paper as well. And you can review this paper. And I have already made a video tutorial as well, and in which I have explained the crux of this paper, like what approach they have adopted. Like YOLO V10 follows a consistent dual assignment strategy. Plus, they also follow efficient driven design strategy as well. So I've already explained all these things, what the novel approach they adopt so that they can boost the accuracy and also decrease the latency as well, inference latency as well. So I have already explained all these details in other video. You can check the video on introductions to YOLO V10. So now in the step number 1, we need to clone this GitHub repo. So you can simply copy this link over here and add up this link over here. And we can just write git clone and set the clone folder as your current directory. CD stands for current directory, but please make sure that you have selected the runtime as T for GPU. So we are good to go ahead. So first of all, we'll clone this repository over here. Okay, so now you can see we have the clone repository over here, and now we will install all the required packages. So now all the required packages will be installed that are required to do object detection on an input image, video, or a live webcam feed. So this will install all the required packages over here. So this will take few seconds before all the required packages get installed. So meanwhile it gets installed, let me show you the pre-trained model weights, where are they available. So if you just click over here, you can find all the pre-trained models weights over here: YOLO V10 Small, YOLO V10 Nano, YOLO V10 Extra Large, YOLO V10 Medium, and YOLO V10 Large model weight. So you can simply copy the link address over here. Okay, so and if you just paste this link address over here, like simply if you just place this link address over here, you will find the link to YOLO V10 Nano model weights. Okay, so simply just need to click over here and need to copy the link address, and you just need to add the link address, all these model weights link address over here. And I have already done the script. It will download the pre-trained model weights over here into this YOLO V10 repository. So currently all the required packages are getting installed. So this will take few more seconds before they get installed. So now you can see all the packages are installed. So now, we will download the model weights over here. So you can simply run this cell. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now you can see all the packages are installed. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now you can see all the packages are installed. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now you can see all the packages are installed. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now you can see all the packages are installed. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now you can see all the packages are installed. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now you can see all the packages are installed. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now you can see all the packages are installed. So now we will download the model weights over here. So now we will down So now you can see that all the model weights will get downloaded over here. Like you can find, okay, let the script completes and I will show you. So now you can see our weight directory is being created over here, and we have added all the model weights over here, like you can find over here. Okay, so now we will doing inference on image using the pre-trained model. I have uploaded an input image on my Google Drive. So I've just added the link over here, and I'm directly downloading the input image from Drive into this Google Colab notebook over here. Okay. Okay, so now we can see we have the image. So we will doing object detection on this input image. Okay. So now you can see we have the bus, traffic lights, persons, like bicycle, and all this stuff over here. Like you can see we have the persons far away as well. So let's do object detection on this input image. So you just see right over here, toss is equal to detect. We are doing prediction, and we want to save the output image. And here you will pass the model weights over here. You can use any other model weights over here. Like you can find all different model weights in which YOLO V10 comes with. You can use any other model weights as well. And here you just pass the name of the input image. If you are doing object detection on a video, you would pass the video name over here. Okay, and let's see how it works. So now you can see we have done detection. So 1 bicycle, 12 persons, 1 train, 3 traffic lights, 2 bags, 4 handbags are detected, and the inference time is taken as 95.5 milliseconds, the time taken to do prediction on this input image. So let me display this output image over here. So here we have the output image. Like you can see over here, bicycle, train, traffic lights. These persons which are very far away are also detected with a very good confidence score as well. Like you can see over here, handbag, backpack, all this stuff is also detected, and it looks good. Now we will doing inference on a video using the pre-trained model. Okay, so let's do this. I'm downloading a sample video from a Google Drive directly to this Google Colab notebook over here. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So now you can see all the complete video is being divided into 1,314 frames, and we are doing object detection of each of the frame as well. And then in the output, we get a complete video output as well. Okay, so now it will take few seconds to do object detection on this complete video. The object detection on this input video is being done. Like you can see for all the 1,314 frames, it's done. And here we have the output video. So let me download this output video and show you on the full screen how does it looks like. So now you can see over here. Here we have the output video. So like you can see over here, we are able to detect the cars over here. Okay, and the truck over here is also detected. We have detected, this is a false positive, like was shown previously. But you can see the detection results are good, like we are able to detect the cars, truck. So now you can see over here, we are able to do object detection on an image and as well as on the video as well. And YOLO V10 gives quite good results as well. So that's all from this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have seen that how we can do object detection on an image and on video using YOLO V10. Okay, thank you for watching.